Look at this stunning image of the Milky Way galaxy. Hey there, space enthusiasts! Welcome back to Thought Scoop, where we dive into the mysteries of the universe. Today, we're tackling one of the most mind-bending questions out there. What's inside a black hole? And what if you went inside one? Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. So, what exactly is a black hole? Imagine a star that's much bigger than our sun. Towards the end of its life, this massive star runs out of fuel and collapses under its own gravity, squeezing all that mass into an incredibly tiny space. That's a black hole, a place where gravity is so strong that not even light can escape. The first thing you need to know about a black hole is its event horizon. Think of it as the point of no return. Once you cross this boundary, there's no going back. But what happens beyond this mysterious border? Let's take a hypothetical trip, shall we? Imagine you're in a spaceship heading towards a black hole. As you get closer to the event horizon, you'll start experiencing something called spaghettification. Yep, it's as weird as it sounds. The gravitational pull on your feet would be much stronger than the pull on your head, stretching you out like a piece of spaghetti. Not the most pleasant way to go, right? Now suppose you survive spaghettification and cross the event horizon. Inside, space and time get all twisted up. The direction you were traveling in space becomes the direction you travel in time, and vice versa. It's like being in a funhouse mirror, but way more extreme. At the very center of the black hole lies the singularity. This is where things get really strange. The singularity is a point where the laws of physics as we know them completely break down. Imagine squeezing all the matter of a black hole into an infinitely small point. Mind-blowing, right? So, what's actually happening at the singularity? Well, scientists aren't entirely sure. Some theories suggest it could be a portal to another universe, while others think it might be a region with a complex structure rather than a single point. It's one of the biggest mysteries in physics. Now, let's entertain some wild ideas. What if crossing the event horizon could lead you to another universe through something called a white hole? Or maybe you'd travel through a wormhole to another part of our own universe. While these ideas are fun to think about, most scientists believe that the singularity would simply mark the end of your existence. The laws of physics just don't apply in the same way inside a black hole. Despite these wild theories, black holes are more than just theoretical. We have observed them with space telescopes and detected their presence by studying the light and matter around them. In fact, the first ever image of a black hole was captured in 2019, showing the event horizon of a supermassive black hole in a galaxy 55 million light-years away. Let's take a closer look at the event horizon. Imagine you're on the edge of a black hole, looking out into space. The event horizon would appear as a perfect sphere of darkness, with light from the outside universe being distorted around it. This effect, known as gravitational lensing, makes the black hole look like it's surrounded by a ring of light. It's one of the most stunning and eerie sights in the cosmos. Did you know that black holes come in different sizes? There are stellar black holes, formed from collapsing stars, and then there are supermassive black holes, which lie at the centers of galaxies, including our own Milky Way. These supermassive giants can be millions or even billions of times more massive than our sun. There's also a theoretical type called a primordial black hole, which could have formed just after the Big Bang. You might wonder, if black holes are so dark, how do we even know they exist? Well, we detect them by observing their effects on nearby stars and gas. When a black hole pulls in matter, it forms an accretion disk around it, heating up and emitting X-rays that we can detect with space telescopes. These cosmic X-ray beacons are a telltale sign of a black hole at work. Personally, I find black holes incredibly fascinating. They challenge our understanding of the universe and push the limits of what we know about physics. It's amazing to think that something so destructive can also teach us so much about the fabric of space and time. Looking ahead, future missions and advanced telescopes will continue to explore black holes. Projects like the Event Horizon Telescope aim to capture even more detailed images of black holes, potentially revealing new insights into these cosmic mysteries. Who knows? Maybe one day we'll even find evidence of the exotic theories we talked about earlier. So, to sum it up, black holes are incredible cosmic objects with an event horizon that marks the point of no return. Inside, you'd experience spaghettification and encounter a singularity where the laws of physics break down. While the true nature of black holes remains a mystery, exploring them helps us push the boundaries of our understanding of the universe. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic journey. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Thought Scoop, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. Got any burning questions about space? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up at the stars.